Sanibona bafowethu 1-1 against Iswelele. A very bad game. Not a bad game, a very bad result for us. But bafowethu ngiza kule platform just to say well done to your team bafowethu. I cannot fault any player. I-Pirates into engiyithandile from uqala kwewesile is your pale game. Amajita showed the hunger, showed ukudla. There was never a time where Pirates dropped down their heads. Sihlulekile ukora, sihlulekile ukwini game. Iyenzeka ebholeni, iyenzeka. It's normal. I just liked i-attitude of my players. But you could see abomfokeng score uneneli ibhola umaphumile ahamba ulanda alibekeza ukukhipha. Like no one was faking on my injuries. Like the team wanted to win. It's very interesting support team kanje. They ifuna ukuwina. I team ifuna ukucompete. You feel like mawuzobuka game like uhlezi ulindele igoal, like ngangihlezi ngilindele igoal. Like we approach our coach. Okay, Sibelebele on the right, Ndaba on the left. Okay, Kumklefed, we know Mbata, Makawula, Moremi on the left, Police, Mahopa, Mfokeng and Botuma. Okay, igoli lingena kanjani bafowethu? Igoli lingena ukuthi kule game I saw something that's engingayithandi. Ama midfielder, ama center backs hold ibhola too much. The moment hold ibhola hlala neteam ezokwenza i-low block because Iswelele babulale i-left wing bafaka Ohizu bese bafaka uSayile as a 9 bese uPule benopotsane bebedlala bebe overloader on the left. I think they were expecting uHoto because uyaphuma kakhulu so bebe overloader ka left boy too, like bebedlala more like a double team upotsane benopule bazo interchange ama position. So and the goal bathole kanjalo. What happened is uSibisi bephethe ibhola kunokuthi ibhola aliphase fast into noma abuyele back adlale keeper because ubefuna ukuthola uMakhawula waqasha ngemuva kwaPotsane. The moment evaleka ispace i-option asale enayo wayinikeza uNdaba. The moment eselinikeza uNdaba sebeyampress uNdaba sebeyamvalela then ibhola silathathwa sikuba igoli kanjalo. I think uSibisi ubengabuyela back keeper because you cannot pass umdlali yabo lento eyenzeka koRonto like kuma like uma kudlala ibhola umaka uvala ispace ukuthi lo mnikeza ispace ufuna kubuyena ozophasela ukuze uhambe uyompressa high. So bekilo mistake leyo okay sakhoza ngayi goal but team idlale kahle and ucoach wenza ama separate ukufaka umbule keeper 6. So bafowethu mina for me we played very well. We just into engikhale ngawo ukuthi kule season into challenge bafethu finisher. Nothing wrong ngoMbotuma kule game, good positioning yakhe njalo ibhola bethola eboxini good ube compete aerial futhi ubezama nokusoldela ibhola noma kusakhona fanele asebenze khona. That's why I'm saying ukuthi up front njengamanje sinabo second best. uMakhopa is the second best striker kwi league, not a best striker. We let go of Mabasa, of which is the wrong thing. So we go lapho kuphela. Otherwise, let's go to the next one, hoping with it down. Before it is a one bear because I still hope with the league we're gonna win it. We're gonna win the league. No pressure. Happening kakulu. We'll play. Nothing wrong. Tito came in. It gave us a very good game. Energy yake, pass yake, lekona umfukeng just ebengakora khona. So it was us against us. Nama gemazayo. It's us against us. Ayikho team ezodla iPirates kule season. Kulama game asalele iPirates kuphela mhlambe eyodraw kanje ngokuthi ingakori nokufinisha. And if uMoremi noSibelebele bangaba nenqume right, singaba right. Sine challenge manje ukuthi abadlali bethu abasebenzela kanzima banze inqume wrong. uSibelebele uHoto uMoremi benze inqume wrong. uMoremi if izolo benze inqume right, igame yethu bizoba better. Sibelebele igame seyophela keeper boy usisiyade ufuna ushayela ibhali. So izinqume njalo, otherwise good game. Thank you.